Mrs. Fathers, Mrs. Martin, we are here today because your girls do not get along at school. Who wants to start?
Okay, so I actually am here because I'm suing Mary Martin for $850 because Mary's daughter keyed my car.
Okay. And how do you know it was Mary's, Mrs. Martin's daughter that keyed your car?
Well, you know, her daughter, she's a bully, and she has been a bully to my daughter ever since they met.
How long have they known each other? So there's Teresa, your daughter,
yeah, Teresa,
and
my
Hunter,
daughter,
right? Why don't you girls just stand next to your moms, but don't say anything until I ask you, okay, girls? All right, so you say, Mrs. Fathers, that Hunter has been a bully towards your daughter since they've met.
Yes, we're new in the city, and you know, I was kind of afraid, you know, that my daughter won't fit in because she's so sweet. She wears her heart on her sleeve. She's very honest, and she's a good person, and people sometimes take advantage of that.
Okay, was that difficult for you?
Yeah, it was really difficult because just on the first day, I felt that Hunter was out to get me. I was trying to introduce myself to people, including a guy that I liked, and right off the bat, she made fun of the way I talked. And I have a lisp, and it gets really bad when I'm nervous. And so I was just trying to make a good impression to everyone. I was just trying to
So you feel that from day one she was not nice to you?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. And Hunter, do you remember her being the new girl at school?
Yes, I do remember her being the new girl at school. My family were very religious.
Okay.
And, you know, I do consider myself a daughter of God, and with that, being very kind to everyone. So I saw that she was a new girl at school, and I have many friends, so I thought, let me take her under my wing. I guess our sense of humor just did not match, or they didn't clash. I think she really misinterpreted the way I was saying things or communicating with her.
What were you saying to her?
Like about the lisp, like I have friends who would make fun of me.
What were you saying about the lisp?
Like, oh, like I would say, your lisp is like so cute, but I just think she didn't like the fact that I called it out.
She imitates
But I mean,
her.
why would you call it out?
She would mock
It was just like as a friendly joke, like, you know, I joke around that like that with my siblings, family, cousins, you know, I was just trying to like make her feel more comfortable with the school.
But she doesn't know you. It's the first time she met you, and the first thing you say, oh my God, your lisp is so cute.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. It's just I like to be myself. I don't want to sugarcoat myself.
That's how I taught her to be.
Yes.
So you're very
Direct
and abrasive.
Yes.
You felt that it bothered her that you said, oh my God, your lisp is so cute.
Yes, I could see that she seemed bothered.
So did you say something to her to make her feel better when that happened?
Well, I just kind of stopped saying that and commenting on it. I only commented on it once, and I guess she just really like carried that with her. I think it's one of her biggest insecurities.
Of course, as it should be, right? I mean, don't you think that would be? I mean, what do you think, Mrs. Martin? Don't you think that would be, for a young girl, if they have a lisp, that would be something that, especially in today's world where guys are really mean, girls are really mean, I mean, that's something that would make you self-conscious, right? And
Well,
insecure.
yeah, I would think so, maybe. But, I mean, she did say it was cute. I mean,
Well, she said
That's
that,
the beginning.
and then everyone laughed.
She mocked.
well,
That doesn't reflect on me. I think everyone laughing reflects on the student.
yeah, I mean,
Yeah, but I'm just not quite, honestly, I've been around the block that you are doing. I'm not quite sure how sincere that was, especially if everybody laughed. So then that was the beginning. So what else happened? Let's get to give me some more facts to lead to the conclusion
Tell her the
that
vomit thing.
Well, whenever I would walk past her in class, she'd always make like a vomiting noise, and everyone would laugh. And she walked past me, and she pulled a panty liner out of my tote bag and reached into my bag and showed it to the class, my panty liner, and said it was a diaper, just to mock me, just to degrade me in front of everyone.
Your Honor.
And again, I had a broken.
Don't interrupt. Do not interrupt at all, Miss Martin. Did you do vomit noises when she walked? Yes or no?
I did.
Okay. Did you pull out a panty liner out of her bag and make fun of her and say she's in diapers?
That part isn't entirely true. It was falling out of her bag, so I thought, let me give it to her because it'd be more embarrassing if it fell out.
So it fell out, you took it, did you put it up in the air and say she's on diapers?
I did put it in the air. I did not say she was on diapers.
What did you say?
I said, here, something fell out of your bag. I don't know where she's getting that from. I think it's
totally
really
lying,
fabricated.
I do not believe this daughter of God even if her tongue came notarized. Everything that comes out of her mouth is just mean and vicious. And you can see it's a lie. You can tell by the expression on her face. And did you notice the smirk? Every time the plaintiff testifies, you see this ugly smirk on her face. It's just, I'm sorry, it's disgusting. It's appalling. It just brings back all the memories from high school. And although I did not experience it to this extent, because this is really bad, but I had a glimpse of it here and there. And oh my gosh, why do you have to be so mean? Obviously, there is a boy that's involved in this whole situation, but why? And the funny thing is, it will not matter in the years to come. When you guys grow up, when you go your separate ways, you start working, you actually start living in the real world and not this imaginary high school world, these things will not matter. But you're the one who will have to live with yourself and work through these issues that you have, because clearly the girl has issues. Let's go back.
So you knew exactly what it was. I love the smirk.
Just that same day, I had a broken leg, and so I was in a wheelchair, and my teachers created like a system for a student to be able to volunteer to escort me to my next class. And so Hunter volunteered, and I was confused, but they don't really let me have a say in it, and I guess that teacher favorited her and just liked her more than she liked me, and so she just went along with it. But Hunter takes my wheelchair, and when she's guiding me, she pushes the wheelchair into the boys' bathroom and just leaves me in there, and thankfully, my boyfriend now.
True or not? Did you
She's changing the story.
Did you volunteer to push her around in the wheelchair when she broke her leg?
Yes, I did. I thought it'd be the nice thing to do.
Okay. Did you were you trying to make up, or you just thought it'd be fun?
Well, honestly, if in all honesty, I really was tired of sitting in class, and I thought, this is the way I can get out of class, and this is the way I can be nice to her and help her.
Okay. Did you push her into the boys' bathroom?
She wanted to go there. She was telling me.
My question is, did you push her into the boys' bathroom?
I did, with her direction.
Okay. With her direction?
Yes.
That's not
Okay.
true.
So you pushed her into the bathroom. Okay.
Actually, I did.
And then how did you think she was going to get pulled out, get out by herself?
Because honestly, with the wheelchair, her arm wasn't broken, it was her leg. People can wheel themselves out.
What else happened?
Well, luckily, after she pushed me in, Asher, he's on the basketball team, he's really popular, and he's the guy who I liked, and I'm sure Hunter liked as well. Because Asher helped me out, it added to Hunter being...
What's so funny?
Just the fact that this is mainly, I would say, the biggest reason why we're here today is the car. There's absolutely no evidence about what they're about to say that it was me.
All right, so you find that funny? I mean, it's not
a waste
I mean,
of
it's not
time.
even funny. It is so disrespectful to me that you're laughing.
Well, it's 'cause
I don't
it's
even
wasting
know
our
you. I don't
time.
even know you. And it is did you teach your daughter to be disrespectful to other adults?
No, of course I did not.
I mean, the smirk on the face, that's just disrespectful. If you don't want to be here, you can walk out. Okay? Understood. So, Asher took you out.
Well, because I developed a relationship with Asher, and we went to the dance
In one
together.
day, you developed a relationship with this young man?
Well, because he helped me out, and he was super sweet, and I asked him to the dance, and then after one of his basketball games, he asked me to go to the diner after school, which is where everyone goes, and Hunter was jealous of our
How do you know
relationship.
Hunter was jealous? Why are you adding that if you don't even talk to the girl? So
Well-
how do you know she's jealous?
Well, we have like a screenshot of her social media of something she posted.
Okay, so Hunter tweeted that this bee better learn her lesson and go back to where she came from.
Who's the bee?
Me.
You.
Because that's after she saw them together at the diner.
So you're the in this thing, right?
Yeah.
And so she saw
Can I
us
see
together.
that, Cinder? Can
Yes.
you see that?
Do you have any more evidence? Or
Yes,
anything?
I actually, this is
The picture.
the picture of the car being like scratched, and this is what she
another
posted a second after the car was scratched.
Yeah.
The key to success is staying on top.
Were you at the diner after the dance?
I was with some friends.
Okay, with some friends. And this was, did you go with anybody to the dance?
To the dance, just with my friends, just to
Okay.
have fun with them.
And did you like this guy, Asher? Or Ashton?
At one
Whatever
point
his
I
name is?
did, but once I saw everything that was going on, I decided it would be best for me not to
So you liked
have
him?
any. Yes, I admit, yes.
Okay. And was this your your Twitter handle?
That is.
Okay, and what did you mean by this, better learn her lesson and go back to where she came from?
So I have a dog, and as you know,
Okay, tell me the truth.
yes, I will.
You do not call, please, I mean, come on, I didn't fall off a truck yesterday. So who are you referring to in that Twitter?
Honestly, I was referring to my dog. My mom had just sent me a picture of what my dog did. It literally, I don't know why she thinks it was
Mrs.
about
Martin,
her.
is that true? You
It
sent
is
a
true.
picture at 9 o'clock on a Saturday night, November 1st, to your daughter and saying that your dog pooped on her
Yeah,
carpet?
because I'm tired of cleaning it,
Yeah.
quite
so,
frankly.
So then you said this let her learn her lesson and came back where she came from. Where are you going to send the dog to?
I guess
Back-
the
yeah.
pound.
And what do you mean by
was my outlet.
the? What did you
angry.
mean by the key to success is staying on top?
So,
About
yes,
half an hour later.
That's a therapy quote, actually. So my parents have recently gotten through a divorce. It's such a messy situation. I'm sure you know what those are like. And, you know, my therapist always gives me quotes to live by. She likes me to have posters.
All right. So do you know who keyed her car?
I have absolutely no idea.
No idea.
No idea.
She's talking about all these events at school or all these incidents. I haven't received one note from my counselor, a principal.
Everyone in school
Okay,
knows.
Miss
that she was
Everyone
jealous.
knows,
Miss
but-
Fathers.
Hunter was
student.
jealous.
It's
and so
all
she was out to get
hearsay.
him.
She's not a sweet little girl like she's portraying herself to be.
Why
with
not?
my kid?
Why not?
What do you want with my kid?
Why do you say Teresa's not a sweet little girl?
Because she took her boyfriend. I mean,
Not,
you know,
not only
They were not
that,
together.
everybody
They were
knew.
not together.
Excuse me, what boyfriend?
The Asher.
But she said she just liked him.
Well,
her
now, but
boyfriend?
before it was different.
Yeah, before it was different. It was
were
really
dating?
Different. We didn't have a label on it, but we were
never liked
involved with each
So
other.
because he liked her, that's reason enough for your daughter to treat her badly and key her car?
The defendant's daughter really believes that she's the smartest girl in the room. And those text messages, I'm sorry to say, but the keyword and the way it was phrased, just way too convenient for the occasion and way too suspicious to not take it into account. You can tell that those phrases were not selected randomly, and they 100% had something to do with what was happening in her life. Would you agree with that? Let's go back.
Mrs. Martin, what did Teresa do to your daughter that you think this is something that's going back
First,
and
she's-
forth?
okay,
Stole her
well,
boyfriend.
she's-
Stole her boyfriend.
They
What
stole her
else?
boyfriend. She calls her mean girl in front of all the class
How
where
do
they're
you
all
know?
laughing at her
How do you know?
I've told her.
How do you know?
because she's told me.
Really?
Yeah.
So she calls her a mean girl. Have you ever tried to speak to Mrs. Fathers at all about this?
Oh, myself, yes. We went.
I actually reached out to her.
Can she finish,
Okay,
please?
I'm sorry.
Thank you. Yes, we did go out to lunch, and it became a. In high school, I was popular, and I'm popular, and it was all about her and how sweet her daughter is, and I just couldn't take it anymore. It had nothing to do with keying the car.
Mm-hmm.
I asked her for proof, and she just went on and on about what she's talking about here.
Okay. All right. So, Teresa, have you ever mistreated Hunter? And be
No.
honest with me.
Never. I only stand up for myself. If she is going to humiliate me in front of the entire class, I'll respectfully tell her to please not treat me that way and please have respect
Your
for
Honor.
her peers.
She's not as innocent as she looks.
Really? Why? What else has she done to you?
So, as you can see right now, I can see she's doing a very good job of keeping up a good girl front to you. But at our school, we've been having a drug problem. I'm not sure where she's getting these
Where
pills
are you
from.
hearing this from?
But many students have said that you're selling them Adderall pills. I'm just putting that out
This
there
is
just
just
to
you
show what kind of
spreading
person she
rumors
is.
like you always do.
Well, that's what you all
I
are
have
doing.
multiple students
These
have
are all
told me
just
this from
rumors.
various grades.
Who? You're a liar.
You know, I don't have time for this, honestly. I don't. I really don't. You have all lost credibility for me. You have all lost credibility for me. I mean, all of you, quite honestly, all of you. It's very difficult for me to believe almost everything you're saying. Here's what I do believe. I do believe that Hunter, you have done the things that you're accused of doing. I do believe that. You admitted to it.
I didn't admit to keying
yes,
her
you did.
car.
Yes, you
There's no
did.
evidence. I never admitted to that.
I didn't even bring up the car. So did you scratch the car?
I did not,
Because
but
obviously
that's
so
I would say
important.
that's the biggest problem that they're here for, because that's what they're suing us for.
You were mad when you saw them, right? You were mad when you saw them, right?
No, I was not. I didn't even see she was there at the diner. I wouldn't have went
Yes,
to
you
go
did.
key
You
her
said
car.
before that you were there with friends and you saw them.
I didn't say I saw her. Well, I knew she was going to be there, but I was just not
The
paying
more you
attention
keep
to
talking,
her.
the more you put
Anybody
yourself
could
in
have
the
keyed
hole.
that car.
Anybody could have keyed the car. Unless there's a video of me keying that car, Your
Anybody
Honor,
could have
there's
keyed
no
it.
solid evidence that it was me.
I mean, really, this is a waste of my time, an utter waste and insult of any court's time, honestly. Honestly. And what we have the power to do is sometimes to be very creative in the law, right? We have a creative process under the law if the court feels that there's enough evidence one way or the other, right? Sometimes we solve problems very creatively by doing things that we don't expect are going to happen. So based on the evidence, I find, while there is no direct evidence that Hunter did it, there's a suspicion. But there's also a suspicion that you too, if you don't fix this problem, it's going to not only hurt you guys in school, but it's going to, you know what, who's going to hurt you, who is going to hurt more, potentially, is you as a young lady. And this court orders, you two are going to find a way to raise enough money to fix this car. Whether you like it or not. Throw some basketball bake sales. Obviously, somebody knows how to bake. Do a car wash. Go talk to Asher. Have him help you guys out. But I need you guys to work together to solve this problem. Because this problem is not a legal problem. This problem is a problem between you two. And I want you guys to report back to me within a week of what you're going to do. Okay? So this court orders that you two work together to find a solution to get this car fixed. Okay? Good luck, girls.
Guys, I'm blown away with the decision. That's so creative. I believe that's an amazing decision from Judge Perez to actually maybe try and make these two get along. And maybe this way they will be able to put their differences aside and try to work together and have the same goal. That's just absolutely amazing and creative way to resolve the issue. And rumor has it they did get along after all. What do you think about this case? Do you believe the defendant's daughter actually did it? Or do you think it was just a coincidence? Please put it in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching.